website that you can join and start making 1.75 cent, $1.75 per minute. Okay, this is per minute. All what you need to do is to perform a transcript on this website and start making money for yourself. Alright guys, in this particular training, I'm showing you guys how you can start making that $1 per minute for yourself by transcripting videos online. Okay, if you are based in the US, based in America, based in Canada, or in Africa, these three websites work for you. And then if you are from Africa, I will not miss the last part of this video because the last website is the one that work best for Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, all those African countries. You need to watch the last video. Okay, so if you wanted to start making money for yourself by making $1 per minute, and that means that if you can work like around 2 hours, there's possibility for you to make up to $900 or $1,005 per hour. In the 2 hours, you can make a lot of money for yourself. So let's move into these trainings and learn how you can start making money for yourself. So what it says now is that it's a flexible remote works and opportunity for skilled linguists. Okay, this is work most for Americans, Canada, Australia, then and for Nigeria and Africa too. If you can work with this, okay. So all what you need is your smartphone. Okay, and if you have a laptop or PC, you can use it. Then all what you need is to do is to come down. Let's see. Yes, you see, and with stability and support. Okay, they will support you through your journey on how you can start making money with this platform. You see, there is 40 plus language here and 100 million plus paid to freelancer empower a global network skills. So on this platform is very guaranteed and you have nothing to lose. Okay, and when you join, you start making your own money. And then you see that 19 plus years of expertise. You will join a trusted leaders in transcriptions and translation and offer stability and growth opportunity. So this platform is very good. I have done my research about it and people are making a lot of money from it. Then secure reliable work volume. Okay. Yeah. You can work anywhere. You can work anywhere with this site. Right. Can work anywhere with this side. Then find your language and grow with us. Okay, in any language that you can speak. Even if you can't speak that language, there is a way to do all these things. Okay, you can use ChatGPT to transcript, and then I will show you a video on how to use ChatGPT to transcript. You don't need to crack your brain in order for you to do all these things. So the payment method for this website is PayPal and Payoneer, and I know that most people don't have Payoneer because PayPal too cannot receive money from Africa here, maybe Nigeria and Ghana or other African countries. They cannot register PayPal to receive money. Okay, so they only have options of Payoneer, and then if you want videos on the Payoneer, then I can create a video for you on how you can receive payment from this platform using the Payoneer. Because that's the only two ways you can withdraw your own money. Then start working in 2 steps. Start working in 2 steps. Okay. Then earn extra beyond transcription. So AI go transcription is just to start. Okay, our transitions can also boost their income with data and label projects, offering valuable bonuses. So once you have these skills, you are ready to make money, and they will support you. Online. So see, there's a lot of language here that you can choose: Arabic, any language that you understand. Okay, so all what you need to do is see up to 1.1 up to $1.11 per audio or video minute. Okay, if you work with audio or video minute, okay, if you transcript audio or video, alright, you earn $1.11, and average earnings per month is $980, okay, per month. And in monthly, then the top, I think the top monthly earnings is $3,600, and I know people are making a lot of money from this website, and you too can make this money by joining this website. So all what you need to verify your account is SMS verification. They will send you codes to your SIM card through SMS, okay? Then face photo during registration. They will record your or snap your photos, okay? Then real-time photo with verifications, code written on paper. So you will verify yourself like real-time, like video verifications, okay? So how do you navigate on this website and start and register yourself? What you need to do is to scroll down. When you scroll down to the last part of this website, then you click on work. Go to where you see for transcription analyst. You click on work, okay? When I click on work, let it load. So just need to scroll down, then you will see apply now. Okay, when you see apply now, then click on the apply now, then you select your in language, okay? When you select your language, what you need to do is to scroll down, okay? Just scroll down. Let's scroll down. Then you see the frequent asked questions before you can sign up on this platform. So they say what vacancy are available. So we are currently only hiring for transcriber positions. Okay. Then what are the payment mode? They say via PayPal or Payoneer. Okay. And what is the payment rate? They say the average payment rate is 0.60 dollars per minute of audio transcribed. If it's video, it will be up like $1 plus. Okay. When will I be paid? The payment are paid every Friday, so we have nothing to lose here. And how much do I have to work? Do I have to work? I say as much as you want and whenever you want. So this is a freelancing job, so nobody will be controlling you. You can start and work anywhere you want. Then do you hire worldwide? I say yes. That means that you can work in Nigeria, in Africa, in the US, in Canada, in Australia, UK. You can work with this company in any country that you are. So do I need to pay any fee? They say no, you are not paying. That's why I say try this website and make money. You are not paying any dime. Okay. Do I have to upload any file? No, you are not uploading any file. File upload session are for clients only. You are not uploading any file. Then do you take care of my taxes? They say no. This is a freelancing job, so all the taxes are handled by yourself. Right? And they say, can I have multiple accounts? You cannot have multiple accounts. That's why I don't want to register now. Okay, because I don't want them to ban my own account. And can I work with multiple language? They say yes, you can work with multiple language at a time. And then can I use my smartphone? They say yes, but if you have PC, you can do it. So do I need any equipment? Just your PC and any other device and a set of headphones. If you are working with video, you want to listen very well. So you need a set of headphones, okay? So this is everything you need to know about this. And you can go through the FAQ whenever you want to start. And what you will do now is that when you reach here, you just come to the start now, then click on other online. Here is the second website that you can work with. We call it Babbletype. Okay. So this website you can apply for work, transcriber, then join transcriber team. Then you see, let's just go and review this one to say important note is that this page is for English language transcription list. Okay, for you a translator, go here. You can click there and go and learn about the translator, right? And then Bible Times only accept applicants who are currently or post-long resident of the United States, then Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, or New Zealand. Okay, So Babbletype does not currently accept independent contractors from the state of California, right? So if you want to, for those of you that have been in the Europe country and America, okay, so you can watch these videos on how you can start with this Babbletype and start making money for yourself. You are in United States, you are in United Kingdom, Canada, and all those countries, or if you are in Africa, this website will not work for you because I have some audience in United States. That's why I add these videos to it so that you can start making money for yourself if you are in United States. So all what you need to do is to come here and sign up. When you sign up, you put in all your details, then you start working. If you are stuck with translator, you can use ChatGPT to translate what you are doing. So this is the third website, and this is work worldwide. Okay, and I think all of those Africa people that are trying to make money by transcriptions, okay, this will work for you very well, and it is easy to navigate. Okay, so once you have passed their exam, then you are ready to make money, start making money for yourself. So with this TranscribeMe, okay, so you see, let's just go through everything here. So the accurate you need, easy and affordable are transcripts. Okay, they just deliver the 90% good work. Okay, so you have to be able to work very well. So for you to sign up with this website, just click on the three dot icon here. So once you click on it, you will see freelancer login and customer login. Because you want to work with them, so you need to choose the freelancer login. So now you have chosen freelancer login, then you want to sign up, not sign in, because you don't have account with them. So just go and click on sign up. Don't have an account yet, then click on sign up. So this work for every country. So I will just input my name. So I will input my name here. Next is my email address, and next is password. I use this, and you see the okay. So now I have registered. Now I verify my account. Once you are verified, this is what the next step will take you to. So you just need to choose your language. So I just choose English. Okay, so a native language, it will be English too. So an additional language, I don't think I have additional language than English. Okay, so I still choose English here. Or okay, if you don't have additional language, just click take on next. Then your experience in transcriptions, okay, let's say 3 to 5 years. Translation experience to 3 to 5 years. Okay, then source language, then target language. So if you have any target language in mind, then you can just come here and choose it. But for me, I can choose French for now. Okay, you can add PS language to so area of expertise. So you just need to come here and choose the area of expertise. Let me see, I'm good at marketing and advertising. So here the next step is that you need a PayPal account for you to receive money. So I will create a PayPal, how to create a PayPal, or recommend video for you on how to create and verify a PayPal. Okay, so here you just need to do all these steps. Like input your phone number. Put your phone number, your gender, So you have input your gender and about you. So how do you hear about them? Is it online? Is it everything? Redmi, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube? Or okay, YouTube is not there. You can just choose other. So in the order, you can just type YouTube. If it's YouTube that you get them, okay. So in the paper, you can just put your PayPal address here, then click on finish. Okay, I've put my PayPal email address there. So I click on finish. So when you input all your details, so this is where it will take you to. You must first of all pass exam before you can start. So once you have been here, just calm down. You read everything. You go through the document. You see, check the exam info. You read all the PDF. Must please read the document first. Once you need to read all these documents too. You need one, two, you need to read all these documents. Once you have read these documents, you will see a button down there. But I will not be doing that now. So you can try this website and start making money for yourself. Okay, go through these three websites that I just put now. Then if you find it interesting, okay, before you leave this video, try and subscribe, like, and share these videos for others to know how they can start making money for yourself. Then mind you, you are not making any payment on this website. Okay, don't let anybody scam you. And if you try it and you don't get it very well, kindly come back to this video and write your comment under the comment section. Then I can find a solution for you on how to can do it. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to support me, okay, so that